Take a ride in the 2019 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, rear step bumper, power brakes. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.